Hello everyone. So today in this video we will see what are the different data structure provided by Python. So to store dynamic data and to store user data inside a Python. So there are different types of data types and data structures. So now Python provide some core data types to store just primitive data type, right? Primitive means single value. So Python have different data types. First one is an integer. It's stored to we can store integer value by using integer, right? Then there is a second class which is a str. By using str class and str data type we can store string data. Then third one is a float. By using float data type we can store single and primitive data type. It's a float data type. It means the value which have decimal, right? Then there is a one more data type. It's a boolean data type. So boolean data type contain only two data type. First one is a true and false, right? So then next one is a complex data type. So complex data type also contain only primitive and single value. We can store only single value. So in complex data type we can store 3 plus 1 j like equation of mathematics, right guys? So Python also provide some more data structure to store non-primitive data types, such as we can store heterogeneous data element and multiple data element like a array, right? So moving forward, so first of all, we'll see how many data structure in Python provided by Python to store different data types and to store heterogeneous data type in Python, right? So first of all, I will display list. So we'll write first of all there is a first data type is a list. Then second data type is a it's a data structure, right? It's a data type, we can say data type and data structure. So second one is a tuple. Third one is a set, and last one is a dictionary, right? One second, guys. Dictionary. And there is one more data type. It's a frozen set. Frozen set, right guys? So we'll see we'll see all these five data type and data structure one by one, right guys? So first of all we'll go with list data type and list data structure, right? So first of all, what is a list, what are the properties of list, and how to declare list, and what are the benefits, and what are the all properties. Then we'll see first of all what is a list and how to declare a list. So list is an Python data structure used to store different data type of items of different data type, right? It means we can store different data types of item in data structure. So it means we can store heterogeneous data element as a single entity, right? So first of all I will create one variable and I will create one list. It means I will create one list1 equals to. So how to declare list? We can declare list by using square bracket open close, and inside this square bracket we can store different data types of item, right guys? Different types of item. So first of all I will store one integer, then I will store one string, then I will store one boolean, then I will store one float 3.14 float value, then I will store one complex data type. It's a plus 2j, right? So now we have created one list by using a square bracket. So now I have stored some different types of item, right? So I have to print this list. By using print function we can print the list, right guys? Control S F5. So there is a one second guys, something is wrong. We have, right, yes, 2 plus 2j. It's a complex data type, right? So you can see here guys, we have stored the different types of data element and different types of element and items in single list. Alright guys, so it means we can store heterogeneous and single entity element in list. So then now, so one more question is there, how to declare empty list. So we can declare empty list by using also list function and list class, not a function, it's a class. So I will create one more list one variable, and list, it's a class. So now you can see here I will print list1. You can see it return an empty list, right? And now when now I want to check the type of this list, right? So there is one more function, it's a type function. By using type function you can check the type of particular data type, right, and data structure, right? List1, you can see here guys, it return an list class, it's a list class, right guys? So there is a one more way to declare an empty list by using empty, by using this square bracket, empty square bracket, we can declare empty list, right? So I will print also print the type of list2. So you can see here it written an list class, right? It means it is a list data type, right? So what is list and what are the properties of list? So first property of list is it is a mutable data type and mutable data structure. What is meaning of mutable data structure? Mutable means we can update, delete, remove, and we can perform and we can customize, increase, decrease size of list as per our requirement. It means we can customize the list once created. It means a mutable, right guys? So first property is a list is a mutable data type and immutable data structure, right? So second one is a insertion is preserved. It means when we insert new element, it means it insert the new element as order, right? It is an order data type. So this is a second property. And third property is an list provide positive and negative indexing, right? We can access an element by using positive and negative indexing, right? Then fourth one is a list allows duplicate, right? It means we can store duplicate items in list. Suppose I have created one list, list1, then I will store 1 comma 1, right guys? So you can see here we have stored 1 comma 1. This second one is a duplicate element, it means there is one more one. So when I print list by using print function, it return an this true element, right guys? So list is a mutable, then list provide positive and negative indexing, then list is mutable, then list is an order data type, then list is a store duplicate element, right? So also by using slicing operator we can access and retrieve particular element, right? So same like that, I will print, first of all I will store more elements in list1 and try to access the particular range and particular data element by using slicing operator. So what is a slicing operator? You have know about that. What is slicing operator? By using square bracket we can create slicing operator, and the slicing operator have three parameter. First parameter is a starting index, right? It is a starting. Second one is a ending, and this is a, what is this third parameter? This third parameter is used for writing and sequence, and we can say it's a forwarding and right guys, it's a sequence, right? So I will write sequence, it means how many numbers you have to jump, right guys? So now I will create one list. I have created one list and try to access by using and which operator? It's a slicing operator, right? So I will pass first parameter. So you have know about that, guys. List allows indexing, right? So indexing start from zeroth index, right, guys? So now we have to access and zeroth index element, right? So by using this slicing operator, we can access zeroth index, right, guys? So you can see here we have to erase this because it's showing error, it's syntax error. So you can see here we have accessed the zeroth index element. It's a first one element, right? So now we have to access 0 to 5, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? It's 4, so it's always n minus 1. So we have to write 5, right, guys? So you can see here it written 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, right, guys? By using slicing operator, we can access particular sequence of our list, right? So then next property, which what is the next property? Next property, it's a mutable. Mutable means we can change, update, delete, and increase decrease size of our list, right, guys? So we'll see all different methods provided by list class. So first method is a, which one is the first method? First method is a sort, right, guys? So now I will create one list, and in list I will provide the different items, right? 3, 2, 11, 6, 32, 5, right? So now we have to sort. What is sorting? By using sorting function and method, we can sort the data element in list, right, guys? It means it's written in ascending order, right? So now we'll return the list by using sort function, right? So I will print list1 dot sort, and I will finally print list1. So you can see here we have sorted our list by using sort function, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, it's ascending order, right? So now then, if we want to return this this sorted by as a descending order, so we can also this also return in descending order by using reverse, rever, reverse equals to true. You can see here we have successfully written our list as a reverse order, right, by using sort function and sort method. So now next method is a, which one is the next method? Next method is a, right, I will comment this line. Then next method is a append method, right? So now what is use of this append method? By using append method, we can add an element in list at the end of list, right, guys? So now I have to add one new element in list by using append method, right? So list1 dot append, append, and I have to add 100. So append method takes only one parameter, so we have to pass only one single data element and item uh, while using this append method, right? So I have appended 100 element and 100 item in my list1. So you can see when I try to print, it return a 100 at the end of list. It means append stores the new data element at the end of list, right? Now next method is a, I will comment line this, right? So next method is a pop, list1 dot pop. So what is use of this pop? So pop method remove and delete the last element, right? Remove the last element of list, right? Now you can see when I print this list, the last element was 5, right? So 5 element is deleted, right? So you can see here there is a 5 element, and when I perform and when I have used pop method, that time it have removed the last element from list. So also we can remove the element by using this pop method as a indexing. So now we can remove the element as index, right? So now I have to remove the zeroth index, right? So you can see what is the zeroth index value. It's a 1, right? You can see here. So now I have to remove the zeroth index value. When I print, you can see we have removed the zeroth index data element by using pop method, right? So now it's clear what is the use of append and pop. So next method is a extend method, right? So what is use of extend method? So I will first of all create one more list 2 equals to 4 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7, right? And now I have to extend this list 2 inside our list 1, right? So by using extend we can add by using extend we can extend new list with our existing list, right guys? So now I will extend the list 2 with list 1, list 2 with list 1. Now I will print. So you can see here we have extended the new list 2 with our list 1, right guys? So 4 5 6 7, right guys? So it's clear what is use of extend. And which data type and which value accept the extend method. So it's clear guys. Extend method accept the all iterable object, right? It means we can extend also set and dictionary and also tuple, right guys? So it's clear what is use of list one dot extend method, right? So next method is a insert method, right? So list1 dot insert, right? Insert method. So what is use of this insert method? By using insert method we can insert a new data element at a particular index, right? So now I have to insert 99 99 data element at the index of 0th, right? So I will insert takes two parameter. First one is a index, right? So I have to put new data element at the 0th index. First one is a 0th index and comma. The second parameter is a data element. So so I have to store 99 new data element at the 0th index, right? So guys, when I print this function, so you can see we have store the 99. It's a 0th index, right? And where is a first element? It's one element. It's on the first index, right? So by using this insert method we can add new data element by using index, right? So next, it's clear guys what is use of insert method. So now next method is a count, right? So what is use of count? So list1 dot count. By using count we can count the how many numbers are present of particular item, right? So now I have to return the how many numbers of one element. It's a we can see here there is only one element of one element inside a list one. So now I will print it return. One second guys. List one dot count one. So we have to print this function. Control S F5. So you can see there is only one element inside our list. It's a one element, right? So when I try to write one element, so it return two element of one element, right guys? One element, right? You can see here. So it's clear guys what is use of count method, right? I will comment this line. So next one, what is the next one? Next one is an index, right guys? So what is the use of index method? List1 dot index. So by using index method we can get the index of particular data element and item inside we have stored, where we have stored inside list, right? So now I have to get the index of 45 data element, right? 45 data element, right? You can see here it's a 45 number data element. So now I will pass it in our index method parameter. So now it return, one second guys, we have to print, this statement. You can see it returned the second index, right? So we have stored the 45 data element in our list on the second index, right? So now next method is a, what is next method? Next method is a remove, right? Remove method. So by using remove method we can remove the particular data element by using its name. So I have to remove 45 number, 45 data element from list 1. So you can see we have removed the, we have successfully removed the 45 data element from our list, right guys? So now next one is a, next method is a copy, right? So what is use of copy method? Copy method, by using copy method we can copy the our particular list in another new list, right guys? So now I have to copy list 2 in list 1, right? So I will use list 2 dot copy, right? List 2 dot copy in list 1, list 1, right? And now I will print list 1, right guys? So you can see we have copied our list 1, list 1, list 1 equals to list 2 dot copy, right guys? So it's clear guys, we can copy the particular list in our list, right? So moving forward, uh, next method is, what is the next method? Next method is a clear method. By using clear method we can erase all data element and all element from our list. So I will use list 1 dot clear. So you can see I have used the clear method. So when I print the list 1, so it returned an empty list, right guys? It's a empty list, it means we have cleared all list by using clear method. So it's clear guys, what is the use of list, and what are the different properties of list, then what are different methods of our list, and how to store, how to remove, how to extend, then how to pop, and how to get the index, then how to count the in a number of our particular element inside our list, how to clear list. These all things we have covered. So in next video we'll see uh, the second data element and second data type and data structure. It's a tuple data structure, right? So now we'll see you in next video. So thank you guys.